Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're going to be making some Cajun shrimp and smoked sausage with veggies and rice and all that good stuff. So come on in, check it out, and let's get it going.
Get it done.
All right, so here we got about 1.5 pounds of shrimp. We have 2 full sticks of smoked sausage, some green pepper, red pepper, onion, and Cajun seasoning, Louisiana. And the wife is cooking the rice inside, but you'll see that at the end. All right, so welcome back. Let's get it. Got the oil down. We're up to about 350. I'm gonna start off with these veggies real quick. All right. There we go. Gonna have to chop these up a little bit. I lost one. Try and get a little bit of that all over it. A little oil. All right. Let's go ahead and spread it out. Let it cook up. Put a little seasoning on here. A little bit of this Cajun. All right. Let's mix it up again. Ooh, man, you can smell it. Yeah, some of these onions need to be chopped a little bit more. Alright. Alright, there we go. We're just going to let that go ahead and sit. Let it get nice and happy in there together. There we go. I'll bring you right back. Alright. Ooh, you hear it. These veggies are cooking up good. Just gonna push them over to the side. Now I got this burner's off. These 3 are on high. Go ahead and add a little bit more oil right here. I'm gonna get these the smoked sausage going. Got a little char on there from them. That's no problem at all. Go. Yeah, doesn't look like much, but with all this shrimp, this is going to be a nice big meal. All right, let's just let them simmer on there. Boom. Just let them go. All right. Look at that. That's looking nice and good now. Ooh, buddy. Yep, I'm going to let that keep going like that. I'm going to start this shrimp over here on this side after I give these a little flipperoo. Oh, yeah. Getting a nice char on that. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and just mix this in. Get it all mixed in. You know what, I'm gonna put a little bit more of this Cajun in there too. Now I'll add a little bit more after I throw the shrimp in there. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna turn these burners. The 2 middle on low and the 2 outside are off now. There we go. Ooh, man, it smells delicious. All right, there we go. Let's get this shrimp going now. All right, I'm gonna start off with a little bit of oil right over here. Let's see what we're working on. We're about, it's pretty hot, 400. Let me clean that. Now I'm gonna turn this one off. Actually, I'm gonna turn them all off. We should be good on that. All right, throw a little butter down for them shrimpies. There we go. Boom. Don't you go anywhere. Alright, let's just dump this on there. I'm gonna try and spread it out a little bit. Go, get it in there, kind of in a circle. And let's cover them up. Let them go for probably a minute and a half or so, and should be able to flip them around from there. Alright, let's see what's going on with this shrimp now. Ooh, starting to get nice and pink. Flip it around. I'm gonna throw a little bit more butter in and cover it back up, but I want to flip it around, see how we're looking. Oh yeah, that's looking very, very good. Ooh, get that butter up there. I'm gonna throw a little bit more on. Right there in the middle. And cover them back up. Let them go. We're working on 320 right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and kick that one back on, and I'm gonna bring you back in about 90 seconds. All right, let's see how we're looking now. All right, we're not quite there yet. I did turn these two burners back on low. I'm gonna put them on medium, but as you can see, they're cooking up nicely. Ooh, got a little char forming on them. This is looking good. All right, another 90 seconds or so. Bring it back. All right, so I'm gonna just cover these bad boys up. It's been about 37 seconds. So, just gonna flip them around a little bit. Make sure we're still covered in that butter, like so. Get them back in a, ouch, it got me. Hate getting burned. All right, let's cover them back up and bring it back in another 52 seconds. All right, let's see how we're looking. Ooh, boy. Let me see here. Let me cut one. You know what? I think we're good. About time to start mixing some stuff together. All right, so we got everything mixed together. I'm gonna throw a little bit more seasoning on. There we go. Just mix that up and we're ready to roll, because this is looking good. Oh, buddy. All right, is it on? Recording? All right. Ooh. I don't want that to be in the camera. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all see what I got here? Let's give this a taste. This is the rice that the wife made right here. But let's dive into, let's get a little bit of rice. Let's get a piece of this shrimp. Ooh, that's gonna be hot. Mmm. That is delicious. Mmm. That is some good stuff. Nice crunchiness on them veggies. That sausage is amazing. That shrimp, done perfect. So easy to cook shrimp on this thing. It's unbelievable. Well, that's all I got, man. I'm gonna get in and eat my dinner. Appreciate y'all coming along. Smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you like what you see. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.